The fed-up farmers held a demonstration on Monday in front of the Okakarara Magistrates Court, where the spokesperson said they are losing livestock to rustlers every other week.
Residents and farmers in this constituency, the livelihood of their economies and depend on livestock. These include cattle, goat, and sheep. Basically, if these livestock are stolen, disturb our means of surviving. Master Prosecutor, you will agree with us that almost every day, no day passes by without your office dealing with this. Not less than one cases of livestock theft. That in itself shows that our concern is valid and that stock theft in our constituency is indeed rising at a very disturbing and alarming rate.
Okakarara Magistrates Court Public Prosecutor Olavi Nangolo, who received the petition, said stock theft suspects are innocent until proven guilty by a court of law.
So at the end of the day, it's an accused person that is to convince the court that they are a proper candidate or suitable candidate to be granted bail. I would also like to add that just because an accused person has been granted bail, that should not be viewed as an indication or a determination of their guilt or otherwise, because that process will come. The bail issue is just whether or not an accused person should be released from custody until such a time that the matter is finalized.
The next stop was at Okakarara Town Council, where they accused the institution of not consulting them when they installed the prepaid water meters last year.
In this case, the project undertaken by the Okakarara Town Council is a major project and the residents were not consulted. As residents standing here today, even if we had to be interviewed, none will say, yes, I was consulted and informed as to the manner and the implications coming along with the concerned prepaid water system and how it was to assist the residents.
The last stop was at the Okakarara Constituency office to air their dissatisfaction with the regional council's leadership's slow response in attending to their grievances. They vowed to continue with mass demonstrations at the town if their issues are not addressed. Faith Sankwasam, NBC News, Okakarara.